everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to talk about one clothing brand. I will put their Insta handle picture here somewhere, and their brand name is Gulabo Jaipur. Yes, I have ordered one dress worth rupees 10k from this brand online. So I was अच्छा खासा brand था. I saw their Insta handle on Instagram and I scrolled all the pictures and it was looking pretty good brand to me, and also Karishma Kapoor was endorsing that brand, so I got confidence also, and it was a prepaid order, and yeah, I ordered and I was waiting for my dress to come. Since I had a function, I had to wear that dress on a particular day, so 10 days before my function I ordered that. Now what happened is, I might have ordered the dress, and I did not get, firstly I did not get any details about it, that I just got one message on my email that your order is being placed. Okay, when you order somewhere from any brand or something, you get updates on where the product is, about all the logistics, where the order has reached and it has shipped or not, and it's on its way, it is out for delivery. You generally get all the details about where your product is. And of course, when you pay a heavy amount, when you pay 10k, then you are like, hey, where's the order? You want to know all the details about the order status. So I got only one email saying that your order is being placed. After that, 1 week passed by, and there was no update, nothing about my product. And then there was one number which they have mentioned in their website, so I messaged them that where's my order. Nobody replied. Firstly, their customer service is pathetic. They never reply to any customer, and I'm not the only one who has faced this problems. There are many girls, there are many girls, and whoever is buying, not girls, guys also, they are facing the same problem. I just went onto their page and I scrolled down all the comments and everything, and I was shocked to read all the comments, because everybody was commenting that where's my order, they take their money and they are frauds and they don't deliver your product. And I was like, oh god, I have to wear this dress. I was skeptical about this brand way before, when there were no updates, but now I got sure that yes, they are big scammers and they just take your money and never deliver the product. So the number which they had mentioned, I was constantly messaging them that where is my order, when am I supposed to get. Then I don't know who replied. He's like, hey, there's some problem in the dupatta, and it's an handmade order, so it takes time, this, that. I'm like, okay. Then I was like, okay, at least they are replying. So also after that, also a week passed by, there was no update about my order, and then I really bashed them. I really bashed whoever was talking to me. I'm like, I'm not going to leave you like that. I paid 10k for this, and I'm not going to leave you. I have a function. I would rather go into a boutique or buy a dress and just wear it. Why would I go for so, I want my delivery to be very hassle free. Since it was endorsed by Karishma Kapoor, I really like that dress. I will show you what the dress looks like after when I received my order. After so much jagdojahad maine kiya to have my dress, and the biggest disappointment was when I received my order. I mean, when मैंने जब भी वो प्रोडक्ट देखा, मैं बताती हूँ आपको अभी. I have the dress. I was shocked. I'm like, this is the quality I'm getting after paying 10k. This dress doesn't even look like more than 1,000 rupees. Trust me. And इतना सारा अपडेट्स लेने के बाद, बार बार उन लोग के पीछे पड़ने के बाद, जो मेरे को क्वालिटी मिला है. एंड पहली बात, मैंने जब ड्रेस देखा, आई वॉज हाईली डिसअपॉइंटेड. आई एम लाइक, ये क्या ही मैं पहनूंगी. फिर my husband was like कि do not even think of returning this product because firstly they will not even reply to you. एक product देने में इतना time लगा दिया prepaid में, तो ये return को तो तू भूल ही जा. तो I was like yes, and then मैंने भी उन लोग को मैसेज किया था कि दिस इज द प्रोडक्ट आई हैव रिसीव्ड एंड यू नो द इवन द दुपट्टा वाज डैमेज्ड एंड इट वाज नॉट वॉट इट वॉज शोन इन द पिक्चर. येस, पिक्चर्स में तो पता नहीं वो लोग कौन से लेवल का फोटोशूट करता है दैट इट लुक्स सो ग्लैम एंड यू नो परफेक्ट, बट रियल में तो आई विल शो यू द प्रोडक्ट. सो दिस इज द ड्रेस व्हाट आई हैव ऑर्डर्ड. Does it even look like 10K product? Look at this tacky looking golden border. It is so tacky. This is of 10K. This looks so tacky. It is so like so golden, and this is of 10K. My god, I can't believe I paid 10K for this, and I can't even think of returning to them because I know what is going to happen. They are never going to take my product back. This is of 10K. Look at this. Look at this. That's the product I got, and I want to show you all what I have actually ordered. It looks good, and look at this border and everything. It is so classy and it is so good, and this is what I have received. I can't even gift it to anyone. I can't wear it. I don't know what to do of this pair of such brands, and think 10 times before having a prepaid order from any random online. And this was not even random. They have come on Shark Tank. So I don't even know whom to trust. आई मीन शार्क टैंक पे आ चुके हैं ये लोग. उन लोग ने अपने ब्रांड का सब डिटेल्स भी बताया था. एवरीथिंग वॉज देयर, एंड करिश्मा कपूर इज एंडोर्सिंग दिस ब्रांड, सो देयर इज नॉट इवन अ सिंगल थिंग आई विल हैव अ डाउट ऑन देम. So yes, it's better to go in a boutique or a shop and buy from them, or else buy from a brand which are really, really good in their logistics and in their products also. Zara and everything. This is a Western clothing brand, but still. And so yeah, I hope you girls, I have helped you all, and I'll see you in the next one. And please don't forget to share, subscribe, like, share this video as much as you can, so that people become more aware. And yes, bye.